So 2025 just started and you want to learn a new side hustle. You want something that can make you good money and that is not conflicting with school or work. You want something that also has a huge potential for growth. Forex is easily one of the best choices for two main reasons. One, it can easily be scaled into a 5-figure a month business once you get a hang of it. And two, you can basically trade any time of the day, 5 days per week. This makes it super flexible for you to trade on your free time, and you have insane growth potential, where drop shipping, for example, takes a lot more time and a hefty initial investment, which might not even work out. So in this video, I'm going to break down the proper path you should take in order to make sure you are using your time efficiently, understanding how to trade effectively, and most importantly, how to make a lot of money within your first year of trading. I've broken this video into 4 steps for you to follow, so let's get straight into it, starting with the first topic, how to make sure you don't lose money. What you need to understand is that Forex trading won't make you money instantly. You need to give yourself time to learn everything and start to build experience in front of the charts. First thing you have to do is open a demo trading account. Don't try to open a live account and don't try to buy any Forex challenges. You have to prove to yourself that you are profitable first before putting in any financial investment into Forex. And that is the best thing about a demo account. It is 100% free. And if you can't make money on a fake account, then you definitely won't make money on a real account. You can open an account on MetaTrader or TradingView, so I recommend starting on one of those 2 platforms first. Alongside starting a demo account, you need to have a trading journal. Now, I know it might seem like bullshit or something that you won't have to do, but I promise you, it is one of the most important and valuable tools you will need for your entire trading career. You have to write down every single trade, journal every win, every loss, and write a little description if you followed your strategy and if you were controlling your emotion. This is extremely useful in the next section I'm going to talk about. Also, lucky enough for you guys, I've already created a whole video on how to make the exact same journal I use. So once you finish this video, go ahead and check that out in the description below. Step number 2, starting to learn the charts and a working strategy. Now that you have your trading journal set up and ready to go and a demo account is made, the next step is to start learning the charts and a strategy. I recommend you do some quick research and watch some videos on the basics. Understand what a pip is, what a candle is, what is lot sizing, how to calculate your lot sizing, what a buy position is, a sell position, etc. Start to familiar yourself with the demo account as well, because you're going to want to make sure you know how to enter and exit trades properly. It might take you about a week to understand most of the basics. Also, one thing I can guarantee is that you will run into problems and questions when you start to trade, and you will learn a lot through experience, so don't rush the process. Once you have the basics down, now is the time to start learning a strategy. If you have already seen videos about a strategy, I want you to completely forget it. Do not use it, do not trade it at all. There are specific questions I want you to answer first before you even start looking or developing a strategy. Question 1, when are you available to trade? Is it in the morning, afternoon, night? Maybe your schedule changes so you don't have free time at different parts of the day throughout your week. For example, for me, I can only trade between 5 p.m. and 12 a.m. I have to sleep after 12 a.m. and I also have to wake up for a full-time job, and that occupies my day until 5 p.m. And that means I can only focus on the Asia session, since that is simply the only time of day I have available to trade. Question 2, do you want to be a scalp trader or a swing trader? I know some of you might not even know what that means, so let me explain it to you in 2 sentences. A scalper is someone who basically trades every day and is in a trade for a short amount of time, ranging from a couple of minutes to about 30 minutes. Swing trader is someone who might place 1 or 2 trades per week, but stays in a position for much longer. They might have to be in a position for a couple of days. Understanding which type of trader you want to be will be a major part of your journey. Personally, I recommend you learn to scalp trade for 3 main reasons. First, you can build an accurate win-loss ratio to know if you're trading profitably or not quickly, where swing trading might take you months just to collect enough data. Secondly, you can trade almost daily with scalp trading rather than once or twice per week, which makes it a lot harder to control your psychology and not force trades. And third, you can start learning trading psychology a lot quicker scalping, because you can force yourself to stop trading for the day knowing you're going to continue tomorrow. Swing trading makes that a lot harder, since you might only place 1 or 2 trades per week, so forcing yourself to not trade until the next week will be a lot more difficult. Answering those 2 questions will help you find a strategy that suits you best. Remember, this is not going to be a main source of income for a while, so don't shift your whole life and routine because of it. Now let's move on to step number 3. Trade on a demo like it is real, because it will be. Now that you have started to learn a strategy that suits you, it is time to take it to the charts and use the strategy on the demo account. Now, I want you to do this properly, so listen and follow closely, because I wish I knew this when I started. Trading on a demo account is 100% free, which means you can always start a new one, and you can practice for as long as you need to until you are profitable. If you are journaling every trade you place and you see that you are losing money on the demo account, then you should not try to trade with real money. It might sound like common sense, but some of you really need to hear it. Make adjustments to your strategy and to your psychology until you are profitable on the demo account. That is the only way you will guarantee you won't lose money at all and still have the huge potential growth of learning what works and what doesn't. Use the journal you made, try to maintain good trading psychology, and be patient. And finally, we reach the final step, start making money. Only start this step once you have proved to yourself that you are profitable on a demo account and have sufficient number of trades in your journal. This last step is simple, but you need to choose a path. Here are 3 options you can choose to make money with trading. The first one is to open a live account and deposit your own money into the account to start trading with. This is not a bad place to start, since it will teach you more about trading psychology when you're trading with your own money. If you choose this method, I recommend to start with maybe $1,000 or less and only trade maybe $10 to $20 per trade max. Make sure you get a good feel of what it's like to trade with real money, because I promise it will feel different. As you get more comfortable and maintain profitability, then you can continue to add more and more money into your live account so your trades can be bigger. The second path you can choose is to flip an account. This is a lot riskier and can only be done outside of the US. You will have to use a broker that allows very high leverage, which may be difficult because many brokers with that type of leverage are unregulated and can scam you for your money. That doesn't mean it's impossible though, so if you find a broker you trust, then you can go ahead and deposit and start to risk a lot, and I mean a lot. You are going to want to trade 100% of your account size for the first couple of trades, then switch to 20 or 30% for a few trades after that. This path is super high risk since you are very likely to lose the money you deposit, but the reward can be very high. I recommend to only really attempt this after maybe a year or 2 of consistent real money profits. And the final path I recommend that you take is to start a challenge account. There are prop firms that sell challenge accounts where you can trade with their money. You purchase the challenge, trade on the demo account profitably, and they will give you access to a very large funded account that you can start to trade with. These accounts can get up to $300,000 or more, so if you're making 5% a month consistently, then that is $15,000 per month. In my personal opinion, this is the best option if you have proven to yourself that you are a profitable trader. It gives great returns with little investment. And that's basically it. Follow these 4 steps and I can promise you will start to make serious money in less than a year. It won't take a day or a week or even a month, but if you stick with it, you will start to see the success and the unlimited growth potential of Forex trading. If you have any questions about what I discussed in today's video, feel free to comment down below or DM me on Instagram. I will be more than happy to reply. Anyways, thanks so much for watching and good luck trading. Peace.